Describe your dream job and why it suits you. Hmm. It might be sound so paradoxical remark if I'm going to say that I really love farming than teaching. I pursued education because my mother wants it, and what I really want is agriculture. So these two things are really different from each field. And well, being a teacher is also a noble and a good profession, but I think it doesn't suit me at all. And if I am giving a chance to pursue another course, it might be or it would be surely to be an agriculture student, since I think that's what the local demand in our district or in our place nowadays. Since yeah, we are all farming, we are all having a very vast amount of land needed to be cultivated. So the I think we can pursue anything that we wanted, and being not able to reach it doesn't mean that we are gonna give up. And everything is possible if we work hard, and if that's really we are destined to be, then it will happen.